Hello trader! When you open the Olymp Trade platform, right away you'll see a price chart in front of you that's constantly changing. The chart reflects the price of products traded on the financial market. What exactly are these products and what has an effect on their price changes? The products are called assets. The most commonly traded assets are currency pairs, commodities, metals, stocks, indices, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. A currency pair is the price ratio between the currencies of two countries. This ratio of a currency pair shows how many monetary units of one currency are needed to purchase a unit of another currency. For example, the price of euro US dollar is 1.19000. This means that 1 euro is worth 1 US dollar and 19 cents. Metals are gold, copper, silver, and platinum. Commodities are oil and natural gas. Stocks are securities that public companies can list on the stock exchange. The most profitable and reliable shares are considered to be those of United States companies. Indices reflect the average value of the company's stocks that are included in it. The stocks that make up an index are usually called the index base. Some indices are followed by a number, for example, the British FTSE 100 and Japanese Nikkei 225. These figures represent the number of stocks included in the base. The indices themselves are measured in points, which help to determine where the market is moving. ETF, which stands for Exchange Traded Funds, are Exchange Traded Investment Funds, essentially a certificate for an entire portfolio of stocks, bonds, and indices. A cryptocurrency is a digital, virtual currency which is stored and accounted for by using a decentralized cryptographic mechanism. It is considered one of the most unpredictable and risky assets. It is important to understand that when you are trading on the Olymp Trade platform, you don't actually purchase the underlying asset, but you are trading with virtual contracts for them. This means that the trader is not buying a physical barrel of oil, but a contract to buy or sell that barrel. How is the price of assets formed and what does it depend on? Just like on any market, the price is established by the law of supply and demand. The more that an asset is bought, the higher the price. If the asset is sold, the price will start to fall. The participants of these trades are called traders. They gain a profit on the difference between the buy and sell price. This means that we can make money during both scenarios, when the price of an asset is rising or falling. Buyers on the financial markets are called bulls. Symbolically, a bull attacks the price and tosses it up with its horns. This means bulls are those who expect the price to rise. Sellers are called bears. When a bear attacks, it tries to put its target on the ground, and so bears are those who are waiting for prices to fall. It is precisely the buyers and sellers, the bulls and bears, who shape the prices of different assets. The Olymp Trade platform allows traders from all over the world to trade 24 hours a day. This is due to the opening hours of popular exchanges, which open in rotation according to different time zones. When traders in one time zone finish trading, a trading session is just beginning at the other end of the world. The exceptions are weekends, Saturday and Sunday, and national holidays, when the world's exchanges rest. However, this does not apply to crypto assets, which can be traded 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But it is important to remember that some assets, such as ETFs, are only available for trading at certain times. This depends on the operating hours of the exchanges where the trading takes place. There are a total of 4 trading sessions on the financial market: European, American, Asian, and Pacific. The trading day begins at 10 p.m. UTC+0 with the Pacific session. At this time, Australian residents wake up and trading begins on the exchange in Sydney. Particular activity is observed on currency pairs AUD-USD and NZD-USD. The next boost comes at 12 a.m. UTC+0 when the Tokyo Stock Exchange opens. This period until 9 a.m. UTC+0 is called the Asian session. Important news from Japan are released at this time, which is why currency pair USD-JPY is in focus. At 7 a.m. UTC+0, the Asian session is overlapped by the activity of the London Stock Exchange with the beginning of the European trading session. Particular attention should be paid to currency pairs with the euro, Swiss franc, and British pound. For example, GBP USD. At 1:30 p.m. UTC plus 0, the American Stock Exchange opens its doors and trading of large company stocks come alive. Euro US dollar, USD JPY, and other US dollar currency pairs are also actively trading. Please note that the most active trading is usually done in the first 3 hours of the trading session, so we advise trading during this time. We'll explain the dynamics and principles of the financial market, how to read the price chart, and trade like a professional in our upcoming videos.